I would like to invite each one of you to participate in the next 5 days in a way that you are able to make use of the masterclass in a very practical way. I am not interested in giving gyan to people. Okay. I'm not interested in giving you gyan. Why? Gyan is available on internet. Yes or no? Google, YouTube, right? Is it not available? Or you attend some masterclass, something. It is freely available. A lot of the gyan is available on the internet. What you will learn in the next 5 days is beyond any gyan. We are not interested in giving gyan. What are we interested in? We are interested in enabling a million women to reach the top. I will give you a real time example. I was in the just before I joined the session, every week I conduct sessions for our own army. We call it an Iron Lady Army, right? In the army, we had entrepreneurs who had real challenges. Our job is to support you. Many of you are entrepreneurs. How many of you are entrepreneurs here? How many of you are entrepreneurs? You are in a business. How many of you are entrepreneurs here? Now, I'm sure that running a business is tough. Yes or no? No joke. Running a business is no joke, especially in difficult times like this. So I want to see that you will use the principles in the next 5 days of pitching, setting BHAG, how to be shameless, how to negotiate. Use these principles. Of course, I can. I also know that this is not not like something very expertise. You will not be developing huge expertise or something, but at least the basics you can start. I can see CA Doshi here. CA Doshi, you are from the Ahmedabad session I led. Is that so? You're on mute. I can see some of the chartered accountants who joined in here, right? So I had led a session in Ahmedabad where I had invited them to join the session here. Welcome Doshiji. Welcome. All right, excellent. Some of you are chartered accountants, doctors. I can see Dr. Uma Bhalerao. Uma madam, I'm assuming you are from Bombay. Huh? Okay. Bombay or Pune, right?
I'm
Well,
from Nagpur. I'm from
Nagpur.
Nagpur.
Nagpur. Very nice. Welcome. So all of you, doctors, lawyers. How many of you lawyers here? Anybody lawyers here? Okay, very good. Welcome, Sini. Sini is a lawyer. Welcome, architect. Now you have architects. And many of you are employed. How many of you are employed? How many of you are employed? Like you're employed in a job. Most people, so we have an economist here, right? Most people who come into our programs have more than 10 years of experience. How many of you have more than 10 years of experience? 10 years of experience, right? Wonderful. Businesswomen. See, I can see businesswomen. So most people who come into our programs have 10 years and beyond of experience. Now, this is the most amazing community of senior women leaders that you will meet. Can you welcome everybody? Can we welcome everybody who's here? Look around, and I want to see that you are experiencing that imagine that you are sitting in a large auditorium. Imagine. I want each one of you to imagine, look around, and imagine that you are sitting amongst senior women leaders and say hello to everybody. Yeah, hello. So you don't mind making me I cracking some stupid jokes, right? All of you don't mind me cracking some stupid jokes, right? You don't have to laugh, okay? But if you laugh, it'll be nice. All right. Okay. So let's get started. Today's session is going to be about how you can derive huge value in the next 5 days, and we'll also talk about something called a big, hairy, audacious goal. Okay. We'll talk about a big, hairy, audacious goal and how you can use the principle of big, hairy, audacious goal to win in your life. Okay, we'll talk about that today. So, the first thing is, remember what Anamika said. We call ourselves an oasis in the desert of lost hope. You know why we say that? We say that because, unfortunately, there are very few women at the top. Very few women, right? Only 5% of the women are able to make it to the top. Why? Huge bias, glass ceilings, politics, and too much of challenges that women are facing right now today as you go along, as you can see, as you can imagine, as you can see, as you've seen, because of which at the top women are facing huge challenges. Our job at Iron Lady is to support you in acquiring real-time challenges that I'm talking about right now. There are 5 principles that you will learn. Okay, 4 at the top and then one at the one next, right? So what is one? How to set goals the way leaders do. It is called the BHAG way. Second is called define breakthrough actions. Third is build your differentiated brand. Fourth, win, learn to win at any cost, which has 2 sub elements: art of negotiation and developing a 1-year winning roadmap using the 7-step blueprint. So let's start. Why are these important? Why? What is this big deal about the Iron Lady principle, right? 10,500 senior women leaders have gone through our programs and benefited a great deal. Why are they raving about Iron Lady? If you look at my LinkedIn feed, how many of you are connected to me on LinkedIn? Okay, here is a very sad data. When I present in a men's forum, okay, if I have 100 men, 80% of them connect to me on LinkedIn, 80% at the end of the session. If there is a women forum, I go to a women forum, only 5% of them connect to me on LinkedIn. This is a very sad data. You know why? Why I'm saying this is, I have shared this again and again in every forum. I am demanding that each of the women leaders have to develop an ability to stand out, ability to build your differentiated brand, ability to shout out about how phenomenal you are. Why is it important? That's the third principle we are talking about. The third principle we are talking about is called you only get what you negotiate. You only get what you negotiate. So you are required to stand out in the world, build your brand, build your network, build your mentors, and through an extraordinary network and through a phenomenal differentiated brand. These are prerequisites, right? These are prerequisites for you to build a phenomenal brand. Now, brand does not mean just good looking LinkedIn photographs. A brand means 20,000 people who are willing to listen to you anytime. A brand means the way you set goals, the way you stand out in the world, right? That is so a brand. So we'll talk more about the brand as you go along in the next 5 days. Brand means your ability to generate revenues using your brand. Brand means your ability to get promotions faster. That is a differentiated brand we are talking about. Is it clear? I'm not talking about some good looking profile and nice looking LinkedIn profile and Facebook page. I'm not talking about superficial, good looking something. I'm not looking at a good profile photo here. Okay. This is way beyond just a good looking something. I'm talking about deeply serious brand in a differentiated way that originates from who you are and propagates across the world as one of the best in the world. I'll give you example. One of the participants is called Nilmani Gandhi. In 3 months time, starting from today, like imagine today is what is the date today? Today is the 3rd of November, December, January, February. On the first day of the program, she had no revenues. In 3 months time, she was able to generate 1 lakh rupees per month. She became one of the top lawyers, top arbitration specialist in India. You can check her LinkedIn profile. And that's what I'm talking about. something where you will use the brand to generate revenue, more and more revenue, or generate more promotion. Women get sidelined when they ask for promotion, or most people don't even ask. This is a reality. Your brand should come in handy when you want to ask for a promotion. Is it clear, everyone? So reaching the top means not some theory. How to reach the top in 2 years? We are not interested in theory like that. We are interested in you actually doing it. So pitching, building your profile, building your network, building your group of mentors, differentiated brand. These are the principles that you will learn in the next 5 days. Okay. So to begin with, everybody clear about these things? First, what is a BHAG way? Right? Nilmani Gandhi. Nilmani Gandhi is the educator's name. You can check it out. Okay. Nilmani Gandhi. So as you develop your what is a BHAG? A big, hairy, audacious goal. A big, hairy. Why it is hairy? Hairy means what? Something where your hair stands on your hand. Oh my God. It is where you get goosebumps. Imagine that Akshata talks about her brand with Swati or Deepika and Chavi and Archana. Everybody say, oh my God, it's possible. Oh my God, is it going to happen? It's like the goosebumps. They get goosebumps when she shares about it. That is a BHAG. Everybody clear? That's why it's called a big, hairy, audacious goal. Now, what is the next principle? The next principle of a BHAG is called it has to be measurable. It has to be for 3 months. It has to be for how many months? 3 months. 3 months, measurable, clear, powerful. And something where it's like people get goosebumps. Right? You will get goosebumps. You will get goosebumps when you start speaking and then you start sharing with other people. You will get super excited. Okay, that is a principle of the BHAG. Why is it important? It is important because leaders live with a sense of BHAG every day. Every leader worth her salt will talk about the next big, hairy, audacious goal. And it has to be measured. Think of yourself as a CEO of a top company and you are communicating in a boardroom. You are communicating in a boardroom, right? In a boardroom, you are speaking about your next big, hairy, audacious goal with some of the top leaders. You got to communicate what is your BHAG with everybody else. This is the way that leaders set goals. Okay, I'll give you some more and more examples so you'll get some complete clarity about the BHAG. Now, this is a schedule for this week. I hope all of you are clear. All of you have seen this schedule. Has everybody seen the schedule? If you have not seen the schedule, so see, tomorrow there is no live session. On Thursday, there is a live session. On Saturday, there is a live session. Tomorrow morning, there is a recorded session. So I'm going to share this with you again, okay? Tomorrow, there is a recorded session. And evening, there is an opportunity for everybody to communicate with each other on WhatsApp tomorrow evening. Okay? Thursday evening, Thursday, there are two tests. Think about it as two sessions. Big, hairy, audacious goal. Big, hairy, audacious goal. Okay? This is a 3 month. Every 3 months, you need to set it like that. Okay? So, Thursday, there is a session in the morning that is recorded. Right? In the evening, I'll be able to answer some of the questions. You can share some questions tomorrow. I will take the most commonly asked questions and answer some of the questions. Also, Thursday, there is a live session where you will meet one of the top leaders in India. You will meet one of the top leaders from India. Okay. The third woman leader who is a Google developer expert in India, you will meet her. Morning session is recorded. It will be shared with you on WhatsApp. Okay. Now, is this clear, everybody? So this is a session, right? Then Friday, there is a shameless pitching session, a session on how to pitch shameless, shameless way. There's a session like that. Then on Thursday, there is a session for how to win at any cost, how to use your profile in an extraordinarily powerful way, how to you'll also get the blueprint, 7-step blueprint, which you can use for the rest of your life. Okay, now I have with me right now somebody sorry, somebody you would like, I would like all of you to meet. Okay, I have somebody with me called Neha Agarwal. Neha is one of the top leaders in India. She's welcome, Neha, welcome.
Hi Rajesh, good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Neha. So Neha happens to be one of the top leaders in sales and business development and partnerships in India. Right? Neha has been is a head of alliances at CMS IT Services. Neha Agarwal, right? Now she is here with us to share with us about how you can use these principles to reach the top very fast. Okay. Now remember, all entrepreneurs, you need to understand how to reach the top by using sales. All other people, I want you to hear from Neha's experiences. She's been supporting women leaders for a long time now. Yeah, over to you, Neha. So welcome, and pleasure to have you with us. Why don't you share a bit about your journey, the principles that you have used, and how you have seen women leaders use the principles as well, Neha.
So Rajesh, I came to Iron Lady almost 2 years back, 2018, and it has been one incredible journey. I have experienced progress myself, unprecedented progress, which I had not even imagined. And the most amazing part is that, it is not only me. I have seen the entire community grow. And especially in this pandemic time, when people are losing jobs, entrepreneurs are losing revenue, in this difficult time in our community, so many people took a BHAG of getting jobs. So many entrepreneurs doubled their revenue. So many entrepreneurs launched new websites. They went online. So it has been an incredible journey seeing so many success stories and breakthroughs after breakthroughs. The entire community is progressing together and supporting each other.
Super. Thank you so much. And Neha, today is the first day of their session. So so what would you like to share with them, and how do you think that they should be welcomed? What do you want them to do, Neha?
So Rajesh, to everybody, I would want to say that set big goals. The goals should not let you sleep. Once you set a goal, set a realistic goal, but it should be so exciting that morning you should just spring from your bed. Small goals are not for Iron Lady. Small goals get done in 2 or 3 days. When I had joined the program, I was struggling managing my family and my work together, and I was thinking, will I be able to manage, will I become a team leader, how will I do everything together. All that happened in 3 days, flat 3 days. So then I realized the program is for big goals, and in this pandemic also, using Iron Lady principles, focusing on providing real value, managing stakeholders, and understanding what is required by the organization, aligning with organization goals, I was able to achieve a promotion in 1 month's time. I had taken a goal of getting promoted in 3 months, and I was able to achieve it in 1 month's time. So this is the power of BHAG, and this is the power of principles that you will learn in the program.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Neha. Now, as you can see, you will see a lot of people who are, I was just taking you through the LinkedIn profile of Neha, where she's built a very powerful profile. Now, many of you are entrepreneurs, right? Whether you're an entrepreneur, a lawyer, a doctor, a business leader, or somebody who's employed, building your extraordinary brand is a prerequisite. A differentiated brand is a prerequisite. A BHAG way of thinking and living is a prerequisite for you to be an extraordinary leader. Now, always seen people say, oh, I have a dream. How many of you have a dream? How many of you have a dream? Okay. Dream alone is not sufficient. Is required but not sufficient. A dream is required but not sufficient. What Neha is talking about is way of living. The BHAG way of living means what? Every day you are taking up the next BHAG. And tomorrow morning you will have a session about what are the breakthrough actions you can take. How can you go after your BHAG very rigorously? How to set BHAG, how to take breakthrough actions. Yeah. So Neha, what is your suggestion to them about how they can participate and how they can take away maximum value in the next 5 days?
Rajesh, the program is like a beautiful stream flowing, and if you go with a spoon, you will get only one spoon of water. If you go with a vati, you will get one vati of water, and if you go with a water tanker, you can just fill in so much. So I urge everybody to come with water tankers, fill them completely. There is so much of knowledge, there will be so much of sharing happening. Only if you participate fully, you will be able to derive maximum value, and no coach, no teacher is going to live your journey. These are your ambitions. So please give all that you have. 5 days, nothing else matters. Be fully present, experience it fully.
Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Thank you so much, Neha. So, does anyone have any questions to Neha? One question. We'll take one or two questions. Will it be played? Don't know. Next 5 days, next 5 days are no paid classes. We don't have any more payment. No more payment. It's already paid. Everything is paid for already. So, see, okay, no payment. Okay, super. Who paid for it? Iron Lady paid for it. Some of you have paid 99 rupees, right? Even that 99 rupees is only a nominal payment, right? We want people to be committed, so we take 99 rupees as a payment, 90 commitment. All right, everybody. So hardship, okay, good. What would be the actual hardship and how did you overcome? That's a very good question. Roshni is asking that question. Go ahead, Noya.
So Roshni, I had many hardships. Not actually is not one. There were many, but I understood that hardships don't matter. If I want to achieve my BHAG, what are 2 or 3 critical actions that I need to take, and I just focused on that. Then hardships did not matter. From personal to professional to managing my colleagues, I had hardships at every level. Every level there was hardship, but I just shifted my focus from hardship to actions.
Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing that. How did you sustain focus among so many priorities? That's a great question. Lakshmi is asking that question.
So we have a ritual in it's a way of living now. Iron Lady has become a way of living. So we all live very mindfully, and every day morning, all of us at 8 o'clock sit down and write our priorities and just focus on that. It does not matter that how much is on the plate. We decide for the goal what we need to do, what is most important, and then we live it like that. So Iron Lady is not a program anymore. For us, for me, it is way of life.
Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much. And she's been an extraordinary contributor in growing the ILD community, supporting so many other women as well. Thank you so much, Neha, for all your contributions.
Thank you, Wish you all the best, everybody.
Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much. You heard Neha, right? So you see, a lot of the times people come into the program and say, oh, maybe only people like Neha can do it. Maybe only entrepreneurs can do it. Maybe only salespeople can do it. Maybe only lawyers can do it. This is a normal way of avoiding the challenge. The challenge is what? Here is my challenge. Shahnaz, Kavita, Ketaki, Meera, Archana, Uma, Chavi, I have a challenge for you. My challenge to you is do not pass the buck to somebody else. Do not pass the buck of taking the BHAG to someone else. I challenge you to take a BHAG that is life, that can be extraordinary for you. And for the next 5 days, live the BHAG way. What is live the BHAG way? Forget about all the challenge. Of course, you will go through the challenges and you will go through the assignments and activities. I challenge you to write this down right now and go after it for the next 5 days. Start focusing on that. Oh, now let's look at what is the BHAG. We went through this already. Quickly, I'll take you through this, right? Your BHAG. What is your BHAG? A big, hairy, audacious goal. That's the first question I wanted to answer. What will keep you up at nights and have you springing up from the bed in the morning? What is that one BHAG that'll keep you up at nights and have you spring up? Oh my God, I want to go after it like that. Okay. Now it may be so. Okay. Some of your entrepreneurs. Okay. This is the sample BHAGs. I am an entrepreneur. I have a revenue of 3 lakh rupees per month. Your BHAG. So these are all sample BHAGs that are accomplished by people who are in the community already, right? You are an entrepreneur. You already have a revenue of 3 lakh rupees per month. Your revenue. So many people have said, I will take my revenue up by 80% in 3 months. You are employed in a mid-sized organization as a senior manager. Join as a director of a mid-sized organization with a hike of 40% in the next 3 months. That's a BHAG that somebody else has taken. You are on a break. You want to start your business or you want to start your career, right? Hire 10 students in my tuition center in the next 3 months. Similarly, resigned as an employee of a big four company. Some of you want to be top CEOs, right? You have resigned as an employee of a big four company, join as a director or join as a CEO of a big four company. That's or a big four or a company or a technology company or some kind of a company you will write down. You are a lawyer. Increase the number of clients by 20%. That could be a BHAG. You are a doctor, right? You are a doctor. Increase the footfalls, number of customers you serve every month by 20%. Anybody has any confusion? Confusion? If you have confusion, please tell me. If you have confusion, you can tell me. Everybody clear about your BHAG? It has to be measurable. Remember, it has to be measurable. It has to be specific. It has to be clear. Right? Now, what I'll ask you to do is, once you are clear about your BHAG, send your BHAG to your relationship manager right now. Send your BHAG to your relationship manager right now. Yes, 3 month. Oh no, 3 month big hairy audacious goal, not a 3 month goal alone. Something that keeps you awake at night, right? Send your BHAG over WhatsApp to your relationship manager right now. I'll give you 30 seconds to a minute to do this. Everyone knows your relationship manager, right? Anybody who doesn't know? No, Kavita, I suggest you take a BHAG. If you don't have a BHAG, I suggest you take one. You take your support from the relationship manager as well if required. Okay. I'm sorry, I will not be able to support everybody individually in this large session format, but because of which we have relationship managers who are supporting you. B. Jaya Suresh is not aware of a relationship manager. Big Indu, BHAG means big hairy audacious goal. Jaya Suresh is not aware of a relationship manager, right? Yes. Anybody else not aware of your relationship manager? Okay. Swati Jain is not aware. Anybody else not aware? Jaya Suresh is not aware. Swati Jain is not aware. Anyone else not aware? So in the group, now all of you are a part of the WhatsApp group, right? Yes. You message her. You message your relationship manager Meenu is not aware. Okay. In the WhatsApp group you are a part of, you will get, you are now, the group is open. I invite you to publish that I am not aware of my relationship manager. In the WhatsApp group, send it in the WhatsApp group and say, I am not aware of my relationship manager. They will tell you who your relationship manager is. In your WhatsApp group, mention, I am not aware of my relationship manager. The WhatsApp group is now open. Okay. Now I invite all of you to write 1 or 2 lines about how you feel this session is going, your background and how this session is going for you. Please write down 1 or 2 small sentences about how you feel about the session in the WhatsApp group that you're part of. And all of you, I invite you to send your BHAG, either your relationship manager. If you don't know your relationship manager, you can send it the WhatsApp group with 1 or 2 lines of feedback about how the session is going as well. Super. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So Deepika, anybody who has a confusion about your BHAG, there will be a form that will be given to you tomorrow morning. Okay. There will be a form that will be given. If you have any concern or a challenge or a problem, there will be a form that will be submitted to you. You know, I will personally go through the form and the questions, and I will answer many of the questions on Thursday evening. Many of the questions I will be able to answer on Thursday evening. Please wait for my answer, and your relationship manager can also support you a lot. Now, if you need a bit of time, take a bit of time and send it to your relationship manager by the end of today. Okay, at least a day. Lakshmi, Lakshmi, time is very short. Remember, time is of essence for top leaders. Time is of essence. Top leaders are assessed by time. The amount of time you take to accomplish a result is a critical measure of success. I invite you to really be very fast. Okay, so to come up, complete it by tomorrow. Complete it by tomorrow. Okay, complete as early as possible. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Uma, you have definitely come to the right place. Thank you for sharing that, Uma. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you for sharing that, Uma. All right. Okay, good. So everybody clear about your how to participate in the program? Any confusions? Any confusions, anyone? No confusions, right? Next 5 days can be the most exciting things if you make use like this. If you don't make use of like this, it will be like a boring session. No point. No point. Just wasting time. Some idiot is giving some gyan. Right? Some idiot is going on and on with some gyan, right? So it can be like that, or it can be the most important session in your life. I invite you to use it very powerfully the way you want to use it. Okay? Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, good. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So, so everybody clear about your BHAG, right? Any confusions about the BHAG? If you have any confusions, tomorrow morning there'll be a form that'll be shared with you. And yes, Doshi, you want to say something? Go ahead. You unmute yourself. Yes.
Yeah. So can we have only one BHAG or we can have 2, 3 BHAGs?
Start with one to begin with. The same principles can be used to accomplish other BHAGs as well. Start with one BHAG to begin with, everybody. Okay. Start with one BHAG and then you can look at others. Okay. One step at a time. If you have any confusion, put it in the form tomorrow. There'll be a form tomorrow. Put that in the form tomorrow. I have a confusion. Need some clarifications. I need some, I need a change. I need some suggestions. Please put it in the form tomorrow, whatever questions you have. I'll answer as many as possible on Thursday evening. All right. Okay. Next, we have a very exciting guest with us today. So let's hear her story of accomplishing her BHAG. Right? What are the ways in which she went out of her way? So remember, BHAG is only the beginning. Tomorrow you need to ensure that you are starting to accomplish using breakthrough actions. Breakthrough actions are the actions that will enable you to produce results in the least possible time. Because I have a BHAG, I'll take 10 years. No. We want to ensure that you are producing the results in the shortest possible time. What are the actions that other people have taken that has enabled them to produce big results fast? That we'll learn tomorrow. Okay? Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, good. So let's hear Bharti. Bharti, can you hear me? Bharti, sorry, I'm muted by mistake. Go ahead, unmute yourself. Bharti, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi Rajesh. Good evening, wonderful ladies.
Good evening, Bharti. Welcome. Now, Bharti happens to be the Mrs. United Nations Ambassadors. Mrs. United Nations Ambassador. She fought against 27 countries, women from 27 different countries to win the crown of Mrs. United Nations Ambassador. And it is our privilege to have her with us today. Yeah. So welcome, Bharti. Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Rajesh. Thanks a
Welcome.
lot.
So Bharti, I'd like you to share your story of accomplishing this brilliant BHAG that you have taken on. Go ahead, Bharti.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Bharti Chauhan, 52 years of age and 50 plus. I mean, at 51, I became United Nations Ambassador. So I love telling that, this is the platform wherein I love telling my age. I have 2 sons, 1 daughter-in-law. Unfortunately, when I went for this pageant, rather prior to when I came to this program, life at times becomes very, heavy for all of us, right? So I was undergoing some moments wherein I was homeless, I was moneyless. Due to some domestic violence, I left my home at 50 plus. I couldn't take it positively. I just left it. Not that money was not there. Children, husband, everybody is well off. But then I wanted my own thing. And without thinking, I just left. And then comes Andedi program. I literally had to mortgage my gold bangle and got the fee and went in. And I was not doing anything. I just wanted this something to happen in my life. And believe me, I went there with the BHAG for starting my own training company. However, after learning the distinctions and everything, first day, second day, I was no way. I am going to take this program for becoming my, United Nations ambassador, because this is what I was aiming for. Not the main title. I was aiming for ambassador because of the right and the power and everything. Ladies, 27 countries. It was not a joke for me with the young girls, Miss, young Misses, and all that. I just wanted it to make my brand global and then get into the training for as a global coach. This happened. This happened. And just not even 2 months prior, I just finished, I did, and I just came back. I get goosebumps, I feel tears. I don't know. After that, the way life has changed, I just can't tell you. And for that, I have so much of gratitude, so much to Rajesh Aapko, to you. I mean, every time when I share this, believe me, the whole life come in front of me. The way thanklessly I've done things for people. I could never come shamelessly. I could never come visibility basis, to how to make my visibility, how to play my A game, how to negotiate, how to do this, how to stand for myself. And believe me, once I achieved, my respect is back, my home is back, my husband is back, everything is back. वो बोलते हैं हिंदी में कहावत है, चढ़ते सूरज को सब सलाम करते हैं. That was the thing. So this is what I really want to share with all of you. This is not only my story, it can be with anyone, but I loved every moment of this program and I achieved everything out of this. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Bharti. I'm super inspired to hear about, and even today Bharti supports hundreds of people out there. And over the last 18 years, you would have supported some 8,000 people, right? So thank you so much, Bharti. Now, Now remember what she is saying. She is saying shamelessly pitch about yourself. Shamelessly go out and focus on your BHAG. And but at the same time, I want to share with all of you. This program is not about Bharti or me or Neha. Okay. Now we have sharing this with you. You know why we are sharing this with you? We want to see that each one of you are able to implement the principles in ways that we have implemented, in the ways that we have seen people implement in their lives. And none of the principles that we are sharing is some gyan that somebody else has implemented. We have implemented, our people have implemented, and Bharti has put her heart and soul into making this happen for her life. Yeah? And today we stand with pride to see that you talk to the top lawyers in India, top digital marketing people in India, top the pageants in India, the top you name them, everybody in the top positions in India. I can tell you there are some of them are iron ladies. Okay, but I want to see that each one of you use the principles and the platform to reach the top. Our mission is very big. What is our purpose? What is our mission? A million women at the top. You know, the reason why we are working towards this is because we know what it takes for you to reach the top. And I want to see that you are implementing it in the next 5 days, then after that forever. Is it clear, everyone? Live this way, it will enable you. Remember, leadership is not. What is leadership? Can somebody tell me what is leadership? It is not some theory. Leadership is your ability to deliver big results again and again and again. Please write this down. Leadership is about an ability to produce big results repeatedly and inspire people along the way. You are personally, you see, if you are not able to deliver the results again yourself, you can't, say, oh, somebody is asking what prompted a man to undertake this program. Okay, let me answer the question. I didn't start this program. Okay, it was my wife who asked me to start this program because she was being underpaid. She was, going through huge challenges in her career, and I had already started some 4 organizations before that. I told her, please use this principle, please use this principle, please use this principle, and she started using them. In a span of 3.5, 4 years, she got huge value. Her salary increased by 4 times. She went up the ladder 3 times in the span of 4 years. She said, you should do a program for women. I said, I'm a man who will listen to me. Right? Somehow she said, please do, please start. And by then I had a daughter. Now I have 2 daughters. Right? And I was looking at, what to do in my life. And that's why I said, okay, I was going through my daughter going through similar challenges. My grandmother had an extraordinarily challenging life. My mother had a very tough life. Right? Thankfully, my daughters, we have 2 daughters, right? In many ways, they're living a heavenly life. They don't know that yet. They have not seen the world, right? 11-year-old said, everything is nice. They have never seen the world. But for them, this is like, yeah, what is this there? No. Every weekend, watch a beautiful movie in a theater, like the environment and all that. Big deal. But they're lucky, isn't it? Can we enable every woman leader be given an opportunity to live a heavenly life like that, to reach the top? Let nobody tell a woman that you can't reach the top. Let nobody say that you are not here to be equal to men. That's my dream. And today I'm delighted to say that it is not my dream anymore. It is not my dream. It is the dream of my entire team. Like Anamika and I live this dream. Our entire team of relationship managers live this dream. Our army of women leaders, this is not no joke, okay? Our army is living this dream. You go to LinkedIn, You go to LinkedIn and type LinkedIn 30-day challenge. You will see hundreds of women writing about it. Hundreds of women are writing about it. Even today, I saw some 100 women writing about Iron Lady. You type hash Iron Lady, you will see hundreds of women writing about it. Top women leaders writing about it. They are all living the dream that we are living together. Thank you so much, Bharti. No, you see, Bharti, she supports so many of them out there to make that world a better place for women. At the same time, it is not easy. Okay, many of you will feel, "Arey, what is this nonsense BHAG Rajesh is talking about? I already know this," or "it is used as, it doesn't work for me." You will feel like that in the next 5 days. My challenge is you have to be committed to completing the program. See, in the 5 days, all of you will get a token of appreciation for completing. You'll also get a certificate at the end of 5 days. A small certificate at the end of 5 days. But certificate is not a big deal. What is the real big deal is implementation. Implementing the principles, applying it in your life, propagating it to hundreds of people so that they have a better life and better leadership capabilities, and using this platform the way it is meant to be done, right, is the most important thing. Is it clear, everyone? I request you to commit that you will be here on Saturday, Thursday, so, and use as much of the principles as possible. Can I request you to commit, everybody? I say I commit to be there on Saturday 5 to 7. Can I request for a commitment from everybody? All right. Implement every principle. I want to hear breakthroughs on Saturday. Not just, Gyan. I want to hear breakthroughs on Saturday. Is that clear, everyone? Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Okay. All right. So thank you so much, everyone, for participating. Tomorrow morning, there's a recorded session. Ensure that you are in touch with your relationship managers. Okay. You are speaking to them. You are sharing with them your breakthroughs, challenges, concerns. Just share with them. They may not be able to help you in everything, but they will support as much as they can. And tomorrow morning there'll be a form shared with you. You can share your challenges there as well. I will look at them. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. All the best. I will see you on Thursday live. Thursday evening, 7 o'clock live. And about leadership. Leadership is your ability to produce big results repeatedly and inspire people along the way. Take people along on the way. That is the principle of leadership. Okay. All the best, everybody. I'll see you on Thursday and then again on Saturday. Thank you so much. Good night and welcome and happy Karwa Chauth. People are celebrating Karwa Chauth tomorrow. Happy Karwa Chauth. Thank you so much. Good night.